Sit tall on the floor and bring the soles of your feet together. Hold your feet firmly and keep your back straight. Start gently fluttering your knees up and down, just like butterfly wings. Keep the movement light and controlled. Breathe deeply and let your hips open with every flutter. Stay steady. Keep going. This exercise boosts hip mobility, relaxes inner thigh muscles. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Hip width apart. Brace your core. Press through your heels and lift your hips upward until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Really feel that contraction. Hold briefly. Then lower your hips with control. Keep your back neutral. Don't override. Stay steady. Lift, squeeze, and lower. Start on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale, drop your belly and lift your head and tailbone toward the ceiling. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, and pull your belly button toward your spine. This is cat pose. Flow slowly between cat and cow, syncing your breath with each movement. Feel your spine stretch and your back muscles release tension. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Flatten your lower back by tilting your pelvis up. Engage your core and glutes. Then release slowly. Breathe steadily. This strengthens your abs, stabilizes your pelvis, and eases lower back tension. Tilt, hold, and relax. Perfect. Start on your knees, sit back onto your heels, and stretch your arms forward on the floor. Rest your forehead gently on the mat and relax your shoulders. Breathe deeply, letting your back and hips release tension with each exhale. Feel the stretch along your spine and around your hips. Stay here. Inhale, exhale. Perfect for calming the body and mind. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet together, knees pointing outward like a frog. Place your hands behind your head or across your chest. Engage your core and lift your shoulders off the floor, crunching toward your hips. Lower slowly with control. Keep your movement steady and your lower back pressed lightly into the floor. Excellent. Crunch, hold, and release. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips into a bridge, forming a straight line from shoulders to knees. From here, slowly open your knees outward, then bring them back together. Engage your glutes and core throughout. Keep your hips stable and controlled. Great. Lift, open, and squeeze. Lie on your side with your bottom arm supporting your head and knees bent. Lift your top leg, keeping it bent at 90 degrees, and kick it forward and back in a controlled motion. Engage your glutes and core, keeping your hips stable. Move slowly, forward, back, and squeeze at the top. Excellent.